Exercise 1. Cable Tricep Pushdown. This is one of the most effective and beginner-friendly tricep exercises. It helps build both size and definition in your triceps. Stand tall in front of the cable machine and grab the straight bar attachment. Keep your elbows locked close to your sides and push the bar down until your arms are fully extended. Squeeze your triceps hard at the bottom, then slowly bring the bar back up with control to stretch the muscle. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 representatives focusing on strict form and muscle tension. Exercise 2. Bench dips. A classic bodyweight movement that develops your triceps, chest, and shoulders while improving arm balance and stability. Sit on the edge of a bench, place your hands beside your hips, and extend your legs forward on the floor or another bench. Bend your elbows and lower your body down until your arms are at about a 90-degree angle, then push back up by contracting your triceps. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 representatives and keep your movement smooth and controlled. Exercise 3. Skull Crushers. Also known as lying triceps extensions, this exercise rapidly increases tricep size and strength while isolating the muscle. Lie flat on a bench holding an EZ bar with an overhand grip. Keeping your elbows fixed, slowly lower the bar toward your forehead, then press it back up until your arms are fully extended. Use a moderate weight to protect your elbow joints and focus on full range of motion. Complete 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 representatives. Exercise for Bodyweight Dips. A powerful compound movement that targets your triceps along with the chest and shoulders, while building upper body strength. Perform this exercise using parallel bars. Keep your core tight, bend your elbows to lower your body until your upper arms are parallel to the floor, then press back up and squeeze your triceps at the top. Do 3 sets of 8 to 12 representatives. Add weight for extra intensity once you master the form. Exercise 5. Rope Pushdown. This variation of the tricep pushdown gives your muscles a deeper stretch and helps create that sharp tricep definition. Stand facing the cable machine using a rope attachment. Keep your elbows tight to your body and push the rope down and out until your arms are straight. Pause and squeeze your triceps at the bottom before returning slowly to the start. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 representatives using controlled motion. Exercise 6. Dumbbell Kickbacks. An isolation movement that perfectly targets the lateral head of your triceps. Hold a dumbbell in one hand and support yourself on a flat bench or by bending slightly forward at the hips. Keeping your upper arm close to your torso, extend the dumbbell back until your arm is fully straight and the tricep is fully engaged. Slowly return to the start and repeat. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 representatives per arm, maintaining perfect form.